Hey guys, it is Zachariah. This video had to be restarted twice because my headphones, I guess, just don't like me today, or they've had enough of me screaming in the microphone. So I had new headphones now, and before I even say anything about this video, I'm not gonna even tell you what I'm doing. Qantas retired their A380s and not gonna fly them until 2023. So I'd rather walk instead of flying on them. I'm never gonna fly with you. Alright, terrible intro. Let's just get into the start of this video because I bet you're so confused what I'm talking about. Now, hello everybody. Terrible intro, but today we're in an app called Tier Maker. Pretty much, it's an app where you can make random things, and you can rate them. And there's an airline one, so I was like, okay, let's give this a try. So they have about maybe 35 airlines here, and let's rate them. I start off with Qantas. I'm not gonna fly on them ever again. Oh, I mean, I haven't flown on them, but if I ever go to Australia, I'm taking a flight on Virgin Atlantic because they just retired my favorite plane. Alright, let's get into the start of the video. Alright, Air Canada, the only airline to have a leaf as their logo. B, because they're normal. Not anything special at all. They're just normal traditional airline. Yeah, nothing much. Alright, next up we have Air China. Heard nothing good about them at all, actually. China Southern is way better. So, yeah, China's not gonna like you, but C for Air China. I don't care what I rated them. Air China's not the best at all. I think Skytrax has them at a 3 rated airline, which is, no offense, not good at all. So, yeah. Next up, we have Air France. I've heard pretty good things about Air France. Good traditional airline. Put them up at A. Very good. I put them at B at the first video, but I was like, that's a little harsh. Air France is a good airline, and in fact, they kept their A380s. Oh wait, never mind. They just retired their A380s. Yeah, you're going down to a B. Sorry. Yep, Air France at a B. All right, next up we have Alaska Airlines. They've had a bad reputation with crashes. They had one 2 years ago, one 5 years ago, one before that as well. But overall, they're a good airline. You don't get any snacks or drinks out of it, but it's traditional. If you want to fly to Alaska, it's probably the only airline you can get to Alaska because Alaska's so small. They have no commercial airlines that can get you there. So Alaska's pretty good. We put you at a C. Yeah. All right, next up we have American Airlines. American Airlines is your traditional American airline. In fact, it's actually in Skytrax, the worst rated airline in America. I had a good experience on there, so I don't know what they're talking about. They got TVs, they have drinks, very comfortable. So I don't care what the 2-star airline says they are, but American Airlines is good enough for a C, just because they say they're a bad airline. Next up, we have ANA. I don't know much about this airline. I've heard okay things. So we're going to put them on average, a C. There we go. Alright, next up we have British Airways. British Airways is a very good airline in my opinion. Very, very good. I'm going to put them up at an S. They're very, very good in my opinion. Next up we have Cathay Pacific. They're the only Indonesian airline I think you can want to fly on because obviously you don't want to fly on Ryanair. I mean, no, not Ryanair. Sorry. No, Ryanair. You're at all SS. But Lion Air. Yeah. Let's not talk about Lion Air. But yeah, we're gonna put Cathay Pacific at an A. They're pretty good. In fact, we're gonna put Air France back up to an A as well. Yes. Now next up we have China Eastern. Yeah. No. Only China Southern's a good airline for China. You're going at a C as well. Good, in my opinion. You're gonna go up with a B with Air Canada. Pretty good airline in my opinion. Yeah. All right. Next up, we have Delta Airlines, my favorite American airline that I like. Delta. good comfort, TVs, free snacks and drinks. Delta, you're going up with British Airways to an S. Very, very good airline. All right, next up we have EasyJet. It's a traditional airline, and it's not the best. It's not comfortable at all. Their cabin looks terrible. No, yeah, but yeah, we're gonna put you at a D, EasyJet. You have to up your game a little bit. Yeah. All right, next up we have Emirates. I'm not gonna make any "Am I a joke to you" memes about this one because Emirates is SS. It's just as good as Ryanair. Yeah, Emirates SS, full on SS. You're amazing, Emirates. All right, next up we have Ethiopian. They were considered one of the best airlines until they had like 10 crashes in the last 10 years.
Dad? Dad,
Yes.
I have a boyfriend.
What?
C for Ethiopian. All right, now let's quote an "Am I a joke to you" meme. All right, thank you for that. All right, next up we have Etihad Airways. Pretty good airline. Not as good as Emirates, but classic S for Etihad. I like them. They're also Manchester United's, Manchester City's logo, so yeah, always gonna say yes to you. Okay, now Frontier. D. Frontier, no. I'm good. Frontiers, no. Alright, now Hainan Airlines, not heard much about them. They are a 5-star airline on Skytrax, though, so they're obviously a B-rated airline, I guess, because they're obviously good. Yeah, same with Hong Kong Airlines, but they're gonna go at a C, because I don't know anything about them at all. So yeah. Next up we have Japan Airlines. Pretty good traditional airline. They're gonna go with a B. Now, I would put a C if those two collided in 2002, but they did not, so B for Japan Airlines. Pretty good for them. Alright, next up we have JetBlue. JetBlue is like Delta, a little bit less comforty, but it's way less pricey. So, not as good as Delta in my opinion, but we're going to put JetBlue at an A, definitely. JetBlue is very, very good in my opinion. Alright, next up we have Jetstar. Yeah, I think Virgin Atlantic is a way better choice. I'm not going to say Qantas is because they just retired their A380s. But Jetstar, you're going at a D. Australia's pretty mad at me today, as you can tell. They have a D, and then they also have an I'd rather walk. So let's hope they do better soon. All right, next up we have KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines. Very, very good. We're gonna put KLM all the way up to an A. Very, very good. They still have their 747, so fingers crossed they keep those.
What?
Like Qantas. Ha ha ha. But, yeah. Insert an "Am I joke to you" meme now, please. Alright, thank you. Alright, next up we have Korean Air. Pretty good traditional airline. Once again, B for Korean Air. Not heard much bad things about them. They're pretty good, in my opinion. Alright, next up we have Lufthansa. Lufthansa is very, very good. We're going to put them all the way up at S. Lufthansa is a very, very good airline. Very, very nice. Lufthansa is a good, solid S in my opinion. Alright, next up we have Malaysia Airlines. On Skytrax, they don't have a rating for them. Probably because it got lost with Malaysia 370. That was a bad joke, but, yeah, insert "Am I joke to you" meme, please.
Or S at this point. Now, Malaysia, what is that? I don't know where it is right.
Alright. Yeah. Just because there's no rating and because it's probably lost in the ocean like their aircraft, I'd rather walk instead of going on Malaysian Airlines. My opinion, 370, yeah, all that blah blah blah. Alright, Aeromexico. I mean, probably the only airline you can get to get out of Mexico because that's probably the only airline in Mexico they got.
Bruh.
So, I can't say much bad about them. But, yeah, we're gonna put them at a B. Pretty good. Alright, Qatar Airways. In my opinion, I love Qatar. They're going up in S. I think they're the same class as Lufthansa is. Really, really good airline. I love them a lot. Alright, Singapore Airlines. Same dealio. Singapore's pretty good. We're going to put them in an A. Very, very good airline. Traditional. Very, very nice. Alright, next up we have Southwest. We're going to put Southwest at a B. Very, very good airline. It's normal. Very, very good service in the plane, though. Very good snacks as well. So, B for Southwest. Nothing much about them. But now the next one is Spirit. I had to take a huge breath there because Spirit is no. I'd rather walk than go on Spirit. You're going with Malaysian 370 and Qantas, which I'm really hated about right now. So if you're all the way down there, then that means you're pretty bad, Spirit. So Spirit's the first one that's actually, and I'd rather walk. So, yeah, sorry, but Spirit is a no for me. Insert in my joke to you meme, please. Thank you. Alright, next up we have Thai Airlines. Pretty good. Gonna put them at an A. Very nice. We're gonna continue with Turkish Airlines. C. They've had a few crashes. Nothing much. Traditional. United Airlines. They've had some pretty bad reputations, but in general, I think they're pretty good. They're going at a B with Southwest. Not as good as American. I mean, sorry. Insert am I joke to me, please. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, next up, what in the world is U.S. Airways? I have no idea what U.S. Airlines is. Thank you. Yeah, I have no idea what this airline is. I'd rather walk. Yep. Okay, finally we have Virgin Atlantic. I'm going a little bit more better with them. We're gonna put you up at an A, actually. So yeah, Qantas and Jetstar. No, you're terrible. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. It took me a little bit to do this, so please, hopefully you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great night.
So, how was the first day of school?
It was fine, I guess. I don't know. Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Weed. We're
gonna find out what's happening. But we'll need support. Signal the husband.
Uh-oh, she's looking at us. What did she say?
What? Oh, sorry, sir. No one was listening.
Is it garbage night? We left the toilet seat up. What? What is it, woman? What?
Signal him again.
So, Riley, how was school?
You gotta be kidding me.
For this, we gave up that Brazilian helicopter pilot?
School was great, all right?
What was that? I thought you said we were gonna act casual.
Riley, is everything okay?
Sir, she just rolled her eyes at us.
All right, make a show of force. I don't want to have to put the foot down.
No, not the foot.
Riley, I do not like this new attitude.
Oh, baby, it's
No, breathe.
Oh, yeah! What is your problem? Just leave me alone.
Sir, reporting high levels of sass.
Take it to DEFCON 2.
DEFCON 2.
I don't know where this disrespectful attitude came from.
You want a piece of this, Bob?
Yeah? No.
Prepare the foot.
Keys to take the position. Ready to launch at your command, sir.
Just shut up!
Fire! That's it. Go to your room.
Oh my God! Are you recording? Click
Well, that was a disaster.
What are you doing in my swamp?